Hello friends, my name is Leigh and I create videos about photography as an art and as a lifestyle. But today is a little bit different. Today I am sharing my favorite gadgets that actually have nothing to do with photography. Let's do it. First, my Kindle. This was originally Raymond's and it's an older model, but he recently made me try it because I read a ton and he really likes it. I've been reading on my phone forever, but there's something about the Kindle that is a meaningfully different experience, and I am loving it. Now, this one is mine now, and he ordered a new one. The last book that I finished was about spiders. It's called Eight-Legged Wonders, and I'm reading one now that I'm not sure if I like it or not. It's called Rim to River, and it's a man's account of hiking the Arizona Trail. I always have several books on the go at once, though. Anyway, I will link to Raymond's newer Kindle model in the description because mine is no longer available. On a related note, because I also listen to audiobooks, my headphones. I have 3 pairs that I use. That sounds excessive, but stick with me here. I have AirPods Max. These are awesome for noise cancellation, and I can also plug them into my computer and edit videos with no latency. And then I have these AirPods Pro. These are old and I'm starting to have problems with them. And plus they don't actually fit my ears very well. Sometimes they just fall out, even though I've used all of the different earpieces with them to try and make them fit properly. Anyway, if you have a good recommendation for headphones that are good for running, let me know in the comments below. And last, but certainly not least, my sleep headphone band. I am a terrible sleeper, and these are absolutely the best investment I have made into my sleep in a long time, and it was a small investment. I have a bunch of different things that I listen to help distract my brain. I will link to all of the latest models of my headphones in the description. On to my Vitamix. This is the Nikon Z9 or the Sony Alpha 9 III of blenders. When you really need to blend, this is your guy. This is a spendy item, but I've had this one for well over a decade. It has gotten a ton of use and it's still working great. I make smoothies, soups, sauces, dressing, hummus, all sorts of stuff in it. I'm sure this is yet another thing that I use that is not the latest model, so I will link to the latest in the description. Another kitchen item is our Nespresso machine. This is another Raymond find. He tried it in a hotel and ordered the machine before he even got back home. And now I love it, which is obnoxious because the pods aren't the most environmentally friendly and they are also expensive. I like the brown and the green pods, by the way. Honestly, I'm a coffee addict, so I'll drink pretty much any coffee and be perfectly happy, but this is a fun experience because it makes strong coffee with a foamy top on it. Again, I will link to it in the description. On to my watch, which I have gotten so many questions about over the years. I have had different Garmin models over the years, but this is the Garmin Enduro. It is a GPS watch, so I track workouts on it. It tells me my heart rate, it tracks my sleep, tells me the elevation, tells me how many steps I've taken. The battery life on it is absolutely insanely long, even when you're tracking a workout, which is beneficial for Raymond and I because we do very long distance running events. I do have an Apple Watch, which I actually really like, but I find myself going back to the Garmin, partially because of the battery life and partly just for simplicity so that I'm not switching back and forth. I just wear it all the time except for when I'm in the shower. Raymond has the Enduro 3, which is the latest model, and I will link to that in the description. And that's all today, my friends. It was a quick one today. If you are used to seeing me talk about photography, never fear. I share a new video every Friday, and they are usually about photography, so make sure that you are subscribed. And please like this video. But after you do that, I would love to hear from you in the comments. What is your favorite gadget? Let me know. Thank you for watching.